Pursuit Series is the thinnest, toughest OtterBox case. Let's get it installed on your phone. First, remove your case from the package. Next, hold the case face up, then pull up on the lid on one side of the case to release a section and separate the pieces. If you plan to use the lanyard, now's the time to attach it. Insert the lanyard tail into the attachment point located at the bottom of the base and loop it through itself to secure. Now it's your phone's turn. Face down at an angle, place the side of your phone with the mute switch into the case first. Next, place the other side of your phone into the case. Then, snap the base onto the lid, pressing all the way around to secure all the edges. If you need to remove your phone from the case, hold the case face up and use your fingers to grab and pull on the lid to release it from the base. Then turn it over and continue all the way around the edges to take the case apart. That's it! Your phone is protected by the thinnest, toughest OtterBox case, Pursuit Series.